Imagine a car so luxurious, so powerful, and so beautifully crafted that it didn't just define an era, it dominated it. Today, we're unlocking the rare 1957 Buick Riviera, the flagship beast with the 364 Nailhead V8, and trust me, this isn't just a classic, this is American royalty on wheels. Let's dive in. The camera glides across a polished floor as the light bends over chrome, curves, and sculpted American steel. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel. Today, you and I are stepping straight into the golden age of mid-century luxury, into a world where prestige wasn't simply marketed, it was engineered into every bolt, every stitch. This is the 1957 Buick Roadmaster 7 and 6R Riviera Coupe, powered by the legendary 3D64 cubic inch Buick Nailhead V8. And today, we're going to explore why this elegant two-door masterpiece remains one of the greatest symbols of American automotive craftsmanship ever built. The year was 1957, and Buick was aiming higher than ever. The Roadmaster name already meant something special. It was the top of the line flagship, the rolling statement piece for those who wanted refinement without shouting. But the A57 Roadmaster 76CR Coupe took luxury and performance to a new level. It was a machine designed not just to drive, but to impress, to glide, and to leave a lasting mark every time it arrived or departed. And that presence begins with its unmistakable design. Buick called it the Riviera styling, sweeping fender lines, a wide commanding stance, and the signature chrome accents that captured every reflection like a piece of moving jewelry. Up front, the massive toothy chrome grille shows off the Roadmaster's confidence. It's not aggressive in the modern sense, it's powerful in a way only the 1950s could deliver. You know you're looking at something premium the moment your eyes lock on that face. Move to the side and you see one of the most iconic styling cues Buick ever created, the Ventiports. 3 on lesser Buicks, but 4 on the Roadmaster, the exclusive badge of honor that instantly told everyone this wasn't just a Buick. This was the Buick, the best of the best. Open the long, beautifully curved hardtop doors on the 7.6R Riviera Coupe, and the interior welcomes you into a world designed for comfort, elegance, and indulgence. Plush fabrics or rich leather, chrome trim that wraps around the dash, a sweeping speedometer behind a sculpted steering wheel, and a level of space and quietness that made the Roadmaster feel like a personal lounge on wheels. Buick engineered these cabins to be serene, smooth, and upscale, and nothing demonstrates that more than how the doors shut with a solid, confident thud, sealing you into Buick's quiet world. Now let's talk about what really gave the 1957 Roadmaster its soul, the 364C Buick Nailhead V8. This wasn't just another V8 from the era. This was the engine that cemented Buick's reputation for torque, heavy, dependable, and unbelievably smooth power. The Nailhead name came from its small valves, which gave it its distinctive vertical look. But here's what mattered for drivers. This motor delivered enormous low-end torque, the kind of effortless push that made the Roadmaster glide with authority even at low speeds. In 1957, this engine produced up to 300 horsepower, a huge number for the time, giving the car performance that matched its extravagant appearance. Paired with Buick's Dynaflow transmission, the 1957 Roadmaster wasn't built to be a drag racer. It was built to be a land yacht, a luxury cruiser, a highway king. The Dynaflow was famous for its unbelievably smooth operation, offering seamless acceleration with no jolt, no harsh kickdown, just pure, uninterrupted motion. It was the kind of driving experience that made owners feel like they were floating, and it helped build Buick's reputation as the doctor's car, perfect for those who wanted comfort, power, and style without the flashiness of Cadillac. But what truly sets the 1957 Buick Roadmaster apart now, nearly 70 years later, is how perfectly it captures the spirit of its time. This car represents the optimism of 1950s America, the design freedom of the post-war boom, and the craftsmanship of a brand operating at its peak. When you see this car rolling down the street today, it doesn't just turn heads, it stops conversations. Its presence is rare, it's timeless, and its elegance is unmatched. Collectors know the truth. The 1957 Roadmaster 7.6R Riviera Coupe isn't just another old car, and it's more than a piece of nostalgia. It's a statement of luxury, a piece of mechanical art, and a survivor from a time when cars were styled with emotion, built with pride, and made to last for generations. The lines, the chrome, the stance, the sound of that Nailhead V8 rumbling at idle, it all adds up to an experience that no modern car, no matter how advanced, can truly replicate. So if you're fortunate enough to see one of these on the road, or even more lucky to own one, know that you're looking at one of BIC's greatest achievements. A vehicle born from an era when automotive design was bold, expressive, and full of personality, the 1957 Buick Roadmaster isn't just a classic, it's a masterpiece. Thanks for watching. And if you want more legendary classics, rare machines, and deep dives into the greatest vehicles ever built, make sure you drop a like, leave a comment, and most importantly, subscribe my channel.